So today I'm going to show you how to make your own hand sanitizer. Now, you going to you all gonna know, okay, that hand sanitizers at the current time um, because of the coronavirus, I've seen people buying. I saw this guy yesterday. Oh my gee. He bought all the hydrogen peroxide and he bought all the alcohol. And I look at the alcohol. I was like, wait a minute. That's only 50% alcohol. Why did he come in here and buy them all? And I didn't even think of the coronavirus because, I didn't think it was going to be that bad. And he went in and he took all of them. I was like, I looked at it, right? And I saw one way behind there and he missed it. And I said, why didn't... I looked at the thing and it says only 50%. 50% alcohol, but he didn't care. So I went into the hand sanitizer. I said, you know what? Maybe I should get some. They are all out. I went to another store. Out again. So I said, maybe, I didn't think that the virus would be, people are preparing, let me tell you. And I didn't think for a moment, I'm like, that ain't going to be anything. And so today I start searching and I start seeing something that is not right. Especially when there's a video that I just made and I'm still in the making of it. And the World Health Organization, which is, they call it the WHO, yeah, the WHO, they're declaring an emergency, which is about, today would be the 8th day now. They declared a worldwide emergency because the effect rate is just climbing too fast. So then today I decided, I said, you know what? We'll go to an expensive store. Maybe they'll still have it. Everybody is out. Let me tell you that. But here's the trick that a lot of people don't know. And I'm going to show you. This is the leftover sanitizer, which I had a while. Okay. And like I said, they all are out. Okay. But here's the thing that they don't know. You don't need that. One, go to the suntan lotion and get the aloe one. Okay? This is just the soothing gel, right? And all you do, okay, take about 10 to 20% out. I'm not going to do a new video because I want to make this video as short as you can for you. The formula is easy. Take 10 or 20% out, or 15. Maybe make 15. So let's say this is 20 ounce. Actually, if you want to make it thin, dependo, okay? Because it's going to thin this out. Don't thin this out because we want extra on it. So I would say about 10 to 15 most, okay? You can put 20 if you want, if you're really worried. But if you buy the isopropyl alcohol, you're going to have a problem getting alcohol, because let me tell you that, okay? It's going to be hard to get these right now because I've seen them clearing it out. But if you can, that's your next step. Okay? Now, if you can't, and like I said, if you cannot, hydrogen peroxide. Add hydrogen peroxide in your gel here. Okay? Because like I said, these are going to be sacred now because everybody's buying them and they're clearing the whole shelf out. Okay? You won't find them. Well, as far as I know, as of right now, you can't find it. I can't find it, but if you can, sure, go right ahead. Last but not least, okay, and this is really, really emergency, and do these first, okay? Please do these first. Last but not least, put bleach in there if you have to, because you want to keep your hand. I mean, bleach gonna dry out, but do not put 5% of bleach in there. Put like maybe, you know, let's say this is 20 ounce, maybe half an ounce, maybe even like, you know, not half an ounce would be, I don't know how many teaspoons. Start with like 2 teaspoons in there. That's all you probably need for like a 20 ounce. You know, I don't know what's the rate on that. I have to calculate that on a thing, but that would be the last option, okay? Remember, that's the last option because you don't want bleach in your hand, but that's the last option. If they don't have it, okay? Because you remember, and please remember, these are getting very sacred now, okay? So I'm going to try to make this video as short as I can. It's getting very sacred. The next thing, it's not about sanitizer, but it's about hand washing, okay? You're going to see the antibacterial is going to be gone too. Okay, yes, I saw that one. Okay, I'll include this with this video. I saw that one. But don't worry, okay? Because I'm smarter than that. You buy the regular. They refuse all the regulars and stuff. Even dish soap. Buy the cheap dish soap or buy the baby shampoo or buy the baby bath, okay? Then you add hydrogen peroxide in there. And if you have alcohol, add alcohol in there. Oops, I'm kind of low there. Okay? So if they are out of the antibacterial soap, it's okay. Don't panic yet. Okay? Because we're smarter. We're going to go to a smart way. We buy the regular one that they refuse. Okay? Even this is still good. But if you want to take extra precaution, you buy this or you buy the kids' bubble bath or you buy the cheap soap. The cheapos. The cheapo brand. Because nobody wants that. But here's the thing. They don't know that it works almost the same. The only thing the agent in there is not in there is the cleaning agent. It's a cleaning agent, not antibacterial. So we want soap. Buy the soap brand, the cheapo brand. Walmart, CVS, whatever. Doesn't matter. Because it doesn't matter. People don't know that. You add hydrogen peroxide in there and shake it. Or you add rubbing alcohol in there, a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Because remember, at this time, alcohol is very, very sacred right now. Okay, because people don't like germs, people are scared of things. So that's what you do for soap. Okay, but as hand sanitizer, that's what this video is about. This video is about hand sanitizer. But like I stated, I tried to find it and it's not going to be there. Okay? But that don't matter. Doesn't matter. Get your lotion. If you like the aloe, get anything with aloe with sunscreen or just moisturizer. Aloe moisturizer or sunscreen moisturizer because they're liquidy. See how this is? See it? And then put your alcohol in there. Or put the last step will be hydrogen peroxide. And the last thing that on the list when there's nothing left, you put bleach in there. And remember, okay, please remember, that is the last thing on the list. We do not want bleach yet. But if you cannot get those, that's what you would do next. It's the bleach. Okay? You can also use, if you don't have any of those, and last but not least, you don't have any of those. Okay? I know this is going to be expensive. Sorry, I'm moving a little bit. These are expensive, but it's worth it. Coconut oil, just cooking coconut oil. Put that and put it on your hand. You don't even know how smooth that is. I love it, but you have to warm it up a little bit. You see this chunk coming out a little bit? You can actually make that on your own. Look. You know? Guess what you're going to do? Look. See? The trick to this, okay, and please remember the trick to this is to starve their oxygen. I cannot stress that enough, okay? Ooh, sorry. I know I'm hitting the thing here. The trick to all of everything is to starve the oxygen and don't listen to anybody else, okay? What I will always tell you, I will always tell people, what does a virus need? A virus need liquid oxygen to stay alive. Okay? That's number one. It will not kill them, but you can starve them. You're making their life harder to live. That's all. Okay? Other than that, you can use, like I said, you can use regular lotion. If they're not going to have it. I can tell you that. Like, it's a store is all running out. But you can even go this route. Mix it your own with alcohol. Alcohol would be the most. So if you can go and clean them out or buy one or two or whatever, they're going to stock a lot of them in, and it's gonna be sacred from now on. So once you get this video, once you see this video, just buy two. Go outside, go out and just get two. It'll be helpful. It'll be really helpful to you. And use, when you contact with people, when you go to the store, when you take your pet out, make sure to just take a little bit and on your hand and just wash it, or you can go and wash your hands, okay? Because it's very crucial at this time. And like I said, find the cheap stuff. One more time, okay? Find the cheap stuff or find a bubble bath, okay? And then add your alcohol in it. I know it's going to be a little thin now. You can add alcohol, you can add bleach in there. And it'll do the same thing as and it'll kill as long as you wash your hands correctly. Okay? And remember, hot water, okay? As hot as you can take it. I forgot. Very one crucial when you wash. As hot water as you can to crucial, okay? Because bacteria cannot live in hot water. But please don't burn yourself, okay? Try to be as warm as you can at this time. Because warm water, they cannot stay in warm water. And I have that video up here and I explain that. I'll link it up here. How to cure common cold and stuff. And I mentioned that specifically. The temperature is very important. Okay? So, as long as you follow this, and like I said before I go, it's going to be sacred. That item there, those two items, going to be really sacred. But you can get around with it. Okay? Lotion, one more time. Lotion. Sunscreen. Yep. Go to the sunscreen section and you will find a bunch of these. Because they don't know anything. They don't know how to do it. Go to the sunscreen. Go to the lotion. And try to get anything with aloe in there. And then put your alcohol in there. And then you make your hand sanitizer right there. Just 10% will be enough. Just 10%. Let's say this is 2.0. 20 ounces. Just put 2 ounces in there. You're all set. So let's say this is 32 ounces. It's going to last you a long time. Just for 2 ounces. That's it. And like I said, these right here, add a little alcohol in there. Even 1 ounce would help. Same thing with this. Same thing with this. Add a little bleach in there. Because you're going to wash your hands anyway. Right? If you're worried. But like I said, as long as you wash your hand correctly, take a little time, wash your hand correctly, and make sure it's really hot water. As hot as you can take it. Like I said, as hot as you can take it, okay? Don't burn yourself. Anyway, other than that, that's about it on this video here. And I hope I'm going to make another video. I'm going to make another video for protecting yourself even further, okay, on my next one. But this is a short one. It's about hand sanitizer, how to make your own hand sanitizer, okay. Other than that, that's about it, and I will see you in the next video, okay.